The story of Barack Obama. A journey from humble roots to a leader who changed the developed world. Barack Hussein Obama, too, was born on August 4, 1961, in Honolulu, Hawaii. His father, Raj Barack Obama Sr., was from Kenya, and his mother, Ann Dunham, was from Kansas, USA. From a young age, Barack learned about different cultures and backgrounds which shaped his understanding of the world. As a child, Barack, or Barry as his friends called him, was curious and loved to read books. His mother taught him the importance of hard work and education. Even though his father left when he was very young, his mother and grandparents raised him with love and support. Barack attended school in Hawaii before moving to Indonesia with his mother for a few years. Later, he returned to the United States to continue his studies. He worked hard in school and was accepted into Columbia University in New York. After completing his studies, Barack moved to Chicago, where he worked as a community organizer. He helped people in poor neighborhoods find jobs, improve schools, and have better lives. This experience made him realize that he wanted to bring real change to society. He decided to study law at Harvard University, where he became the first African-American president of the Harvard Law Review, a great honor. After finishing law school, Barack returned to Chicago and worked as a lawyer and professor. During this time, he met Michelle Robinson, a bright and strong woman who later became his wife. They got married in 1992 and had two daughters, Malia and Sasha. Barack wanted to do more for his country, so he entered politics. In 1996, he became a senator in Illinois, where he worked to improve health care, education, and workers' rights. His speeches were inspiring, and people began to see him as a future leader. In 2004, Barack Obama gave a powerful speech at the Democratic National Convention. His words about hope, unity, and change touched millions of people. This speech made him famous across the country. In 2008, he decided to run for President of the United States. His campaign message was simple. Yes, we can. People from all backgrounds believed in him, and he won the election, becoming the first African-American president in U.S. history. As president, Barack Obama worked hard to bring change. He introduced the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, to provide health care for millions of Americans. He focused on education, clean energy, and building better relationships with other countries. In 2009, he won the Nobel Peace Prize for his efforts to make this world a better place. He focused on education, clean energy, and building better relationships with other countries. In 2009, he won the Nobel Peace Prize for his efforts to make the world a better place. He also helped capture Osama bin Laden, a terrorist leader responsible for attacks on the U.S. Obama was re-elected in 2012 and continued to work on important issues like climate change and equality. He believed in bringing people together, no matter their race, religion, or background. After serving 2 terms as president, Obama left office in 2017. However, he continued to inspire people through his speeches, books, and charitable work. He and Michelle started the Obama Foundation to help young leaders worldwide. His story, from a boy with humble beginnings to the leader of the most powerful country, shows that anything is possible with hard work, hope, and determination. Barack Obama's journey teaches us that dreams can come true if we believe in ourselves. No matter where we come from, we can achieve great things with education, kindness, and the courage to make the world better. Yes, we can.